Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Aiza's Taste Buds. Today I'm going to share the recipe of chicken 65 biryani. Let's first see how to prepare chicken 65. This is 750 grams of chicken which I have cut and washed with some turmeric water. Let's first marinate this chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. Rub all the dry ingredients to chicken. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix everything very well and we will keep this marinated for 1 hour. Next we need to have some dry ingredient to coat each pieces of chicken, so that when we deep fry it we will have some crispy chicken. To coat chicken I have taken 6 tablespoon of maida, 3 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoon of rice flour. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now we are going to coat each pieces of chicken in this dry ingredient. I am done coating with all pieces. Next we need to deep fry this. I have kept some oil for heating. Keep the flame to medium and fry each pieces of chicken. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side and then we'll flip it to the other side. It will take 7 to 8 minutes to deep fry this chicken. Once you are done, remove each pieces on a kitchen towel. Continue the same with other half. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil in another pan. To this add 2 tablespoon of garlic mince, 1 green chilli chopped. Add few curry leaves into it. Here I am using dried one, you can use a fresh one if you have. Here we do not want to turn the garlic brown, just saute for a minute, then we will add chicken to it. Now coat each pieces of chicken with this garlic sauce and you can serve this as a starter. This is a recipe for chicken 65. Either you can use this as a starter or you can use it for making biryani. I am going to make biryani using this chicken 65. Now let's see how to make this tasty and delicious chicken 65 biryani. Here I am using basmati rice. You can use any other biryani rice also. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot. To this add 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves and 3 bay leaf. This add 3 medium sliced onion and saute well. We need to add some ginger garlic paste to this. For this I have taken 10 to 12 garlic pods, a big piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. I am going to grind this to a smooth paste. Here the onion is turned brown. To this add ground ginger garlic paste. Mix this for a minute. This is 2 medium-sized tomato cut into small pieces. Cook this on a medium flame until all the tomatoes are fully mashed. Once the tomato is getting cooked here, we will prepare the rice for biryani. Here I have kept 4.5 cups of water for boiling. To this I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves, 3 bay leaves and 3 cups of rice, which is 500 grams, which I washed and soaked in water for 15 minutes. To this add 1 tablespoon of ghee and cook on a very low flame. Here the rice will be cooked only to 70%. Let's see the masala. Tomato is fully mashed. To this we will add dry ingredients. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, here I am adding half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want your biryani to be spicy, you can increase the quantity of chili powder. Mix everything well, and to this we will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt and mix well. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and combine everything very well. Once you see oil separating on the sides, you can add chicken 65 to it. Here I am not adding all the pieces. I am going to save few pieces for later. Mix everything very well and cook this for 5 more minutes. To this add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of mint leaves. And our tasty masala for biryani is ready. Next we need to layer biryani. For this I have taken a big pot. To this add 1 tablespoon of ghee and place small layer of rice on top of that. Here the rice is only cooked to 70%. Rest we will be doing it now along with the masala. Just place small layer of rice and top of that we will add the masala. Add all the masala mixture to it. Add some fried onion and some mint and coriander leaves. Now add the remaining rice on top. Add some fried onion on top, some mint leaves and coriander leaves, and a tablespoon of ghee. If you like this recipe and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please press the red subscriber button. Cover this and cook on a very low flame for 10 minutes. Our chicken 65 biryani is ready. Doesn't this look delicious? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another new recipe. Until then, take care.